cartoon of the day, and it's gonna be Underdog. This is a favorite of Blue Hand's when he was growing up. All right, here we go. Underdog's a doggy dog, and he's got a head right about here, like this, kind of square-like. That's right, that's the top of it. And then we're gonna draw some eyebrows here. He's a very serious dog, he is. So there's one eyebrow like that, and it's just like a V up like this. Come back down like that and connect them up like that. Very good. Give him a bit of a brow there, just like that. And then his eyes can come down like this. There's one. And here will be the other, starting right about there. Very nice. And now what we can do is draw his snout. Coming up like this. And then all the way down like this. There we go, just like that. Give him a bit of a cheek here. Oh, I like it. And there's his mouth. Perfect. His nose can come around like that. And we'll split his lip right about down like this. Looking good, everybody. Let's give him some pupils as if he's looking up into the sky. He is Underdog after all. He likes to look up because he likes to fly. Give him a bit of hair here. 1, 2. I like that. Now Underdog's got some floppy ears. So let's do an ear here like this. Bring it on down like that, and another ear up like that. Connect like that, and we're starting to look like it's the Underdog. Superhero dog. Here's his neck. Bring down like that. Looking nice. Bit of a chin there. Alrighty. Now Underdog is going to be pointing up, and he's got a cape that we'll have to draw first. So let's give a bit of a swirly swoo here for a cape. There's one bit. Give it some texture. And now we'll continue his cape like this. And we're going to bring this all the way down. Just like that. I like that. That's looking very nice. Let's continue this with some swirls. And this will be the ground right about there. Let's continue his cape here like this. There's the texture on this side. And we're almost done. Now we've got an arm to do right here. That's his first arm. Bring that on up like that. And let's bring his other arm here as if he's pointing up. Finish the sleeve here like this. Swirl it around. And now let's give him a hand pointing. Let's make a thumb. Very nice. Index finger pointing up. Oh, I like it. And his other fingers can round off like this. Very good. Give him a bit of a palm here. Oh, I like it. And then we can bring his arm back down like that into his sleeve. Very good, everybody. Let's finish his sleeve off into his body here. And here's the body. Underdog's a little bit dumpy. He's got a bit of a tummy, he does. So let's bring it on down like that. Like that. And then we'll bring the rest of his body over here like this. But we won't continue it because we're going to draw his other hand right about here. So there's his wrist. And he's got a fist. There's finger 1, 2, 3. Bring it around like that. Just like that. And then his thumb can come in like that. Oh, I like it. Now he can finish his body off right to his wrist. Just like that. Let's give him a U for Underdog on his suit. Oh, I like this. Here we go. Underdog. Ah, yes. Now we can do his legs. One here like this. And we know where they're going to end because this is roughly where the cape was. And we'll bring his other legs down here like this. Middle bit like that. And then his feet can come off like this. 1. And his other foot right about here like this. 2. Here's his boots. just like that. And then all we gotta do is bring the other end of the cape down here like this. Give it a bit of swirly-swoo like we did on the other side. Oh, I like it. Bring it around like that. Maybe a bit of texture on the cape. 1, 2, 3, and we're good to go. It's Underdog, everybody. I love it. Let's get to the color. Underdog has light skin, a red shirt, blue cape, red mouth, black ears and nose. Thanks, everyone.